Well, we got a gaggle of things to go in here today. We're talking carpet, underlayment, panels, whole 9 yards. Because it's pretty gnarly in here. Welcome back to Tree Road Rescue.
Today's video is brought to you by GT Trailer Rentals here in Central Florida. So if you need any trailering needs, give them a call. I got George here. George, tell them what you are and what you're all about.
Hi, I'm George, GMC Trailer Rentals. We rent all kinds of trailers. We have everything from a small 6x12 all the way up to a 24-foot trailer. All our trailers come with all the straps that you'll need. They come with winches, spare tires, and anything you'll need. You can find us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or you can always call us 352-537-9792. Thank you guys.
Yeah, and if you guys remember the C20 video that I just did, GT Trailer Rentals is the one that helped me get it back to the house so we can continue refurbishing that. So if you need them, give them a call. Call the number, and I'll put a link in some of their socials in the description below. Now back to the video.
As you can see, kind of already started kind of getting some of the boring stuff out of the way. But we're putting all brand new carpet in. And a bunch of stuff out of that box. Seals, weather stripping. We will be doing quarters here soon. I got my boom booms out. But yeah, so let's walk around. This is what's going on today. There's some of the carpet. Look how pretty that is. Yep, and I got the underlayment sound deadener that's going to go in here. Now, so yeah, obviously you got to start by removing all of the stuff to pull this out. I almost feel like that's too long. We'll see. We shall find out. Oh, look, a tool. Let's just peel this back. Lots of screws, lots of glass still. Oh, there's my screws that I was just talking about. And we got to peel this underlayment out because I got more. Yeah, now we're going to see how rusty it really is. Get out of there. Come on. Yeet. Yeet. And we're going to route that in a better way. Bye-bye. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, as you can see, all the seats are out. You don't necessarily have to pull these out because these, camera upside down, are bolted up to the edge back there by using that hinge. So you don't have to remove those. But as you can see, the carpet definitely needed to be replaced. I got to take out the seat belts, and this is a lot of holes to put in this brand new carpet. So I'll show you how to do that too. I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, you see the dash up there? I'll give you a closer look here in a minute, but that came out of that spare parts Suburban you saw me pulling into the RD a few weeks ago. Looks brand new. We shall. Got new sound deadener and heat shield down. Let's bring in some carpet. First piece of carpet. Coming in. Oh, yes. that new car smell. Not exactly, but you get what I'm saying. Oh, under the pedals. Rotate it. Move it. Gonna have to cut it. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Get all the way up there. Yep. Yep, just like that. End up cutting some of this underlayment, I know it. Look at that. That is worth the money right there. Yes. Oh, that's nice. I'll get out of your way. Check it out. I gotta grab the other piece. Anyway, I don't know why I shut up. It is what it is. Oh well, anyway, what I'm doing is I'm putting in the seal plates. So that way I know that this portion of the carpet is square. And then I can do the rest. And don't let anybody fool you. This is not an easy process. Finding a hole, dragging your carpet over because you know it needs to be drug over, stretching it out, lining it up. 2 seal plates at once because this overlaps. Take a look. This is LMC. Here. There are my door seals. I will get new door seals or seal plates. But yeah, don't that look great? Fits in there perfect. A little wrinkly, but anybody who's ever done new carpet in an old rig knows that will come out in time. But man, that's a difference. And I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I just really don't want to trim up this carpet because it's so pretty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my seal plates on this side, drag everything over here, cut the excess off. Hopefully I don't have to, but chances are I'm going to have to. Okay, I'm going to be real with you. All that stuff took place about 3-4 months ago, and I just got busy. But we do have new carpet in here. I still got some things to take care of. I got to do the driver's side window regulator. That's going to be fun. I got to do seat belts because I still haven't done those. Okay, so once you have your C-pillar screws out, you can gently remove your A-pillar. This is what the other one looked like to begin with. It was a tan color from that spare parts Suburban, and I painted it with that factory color paint from LMC. Magnus here, he's going to go clean these parts up for me while I work on other things. Then once they're ready, I'm going to spray them and get these things back in. Oh, and by the way, you have to remove the sun visors in order to get this piece out without harming it. So I'm going to pass this on to you, and I'll give you some rags, which are over there on the table. Yep, and clean those up for me while I do a couple of other things here, and I'll get that painted. I love it whenever he wants to give me a hand. It's great. Over here in, yeah. Yeah, I'll get you a couple of rags. Yeah, it's the blue rags. So you don't have to remove the C-pillar plastics all the way. Leave the last one in. Pull your A-pillar piece out, and then take a screw and put that C-pillar piece in with 2 screws. That'll hold it in place. You ain't got to completely remove it unless you have to paint it. And in my case, I don't have to, but that way it just keeps the headliner up and keeps it from getting a crease in it. We don't want no creases. Yeah, and I got to install that one over there, so I have to remove the sun visor from over there. Anyway, this interior is coming along. Stick around, and you'll see it. It's amazing. All right, I'm getting ready to install some seatbelt receptacles, and I got to go through this brand new floor, brand new underlayment, brand new carpet. The way that I do it is I take me an awl and a torch. I heat the awl up, and my buddy George is going to be up top, and I'm going to punch this through. With it being hot, it's just going to singe all the way through. And what it does is it singes the edges so it doesn't fray whenever you put your bolt in. Shove it all the way through, get the right size punch, right diameter, shove it through, bada bing, bada boom. Simple as that. Give me a second and I'll set you up so you can see. All right, for demonstration purposes, to show you this trick, George and I have removed the seat and pushed it forward. That way you can get a good visualization of what it is that we're doing. So right now, I am heating up my awl with just a regular old torch. And I'm going to go under and I'm going to punch through, and it'll be over here somewhere. And he's going to apply pressure to the seat, and I'm going to come all the way through. If I don't come all the way through, it'll at least give him an idea on where to slice the carpet. Let me go under here. Okay. So let me give this just a second for the awl to get nice and hot. We want it to singe the carpet as we go through. That way we don't have any fraying issues later on down the road. 6-8 months down the road, you might start to see it, and it's going to aggravate you. This is going to prevent that from happening. Here we go. Can you push that down? Can you see me? Is that long enough? Nice. Do what? Yep. There we go. Now, yep. So now what that's done is that's also singed the underlayment. So you're not going to have that catching on your bolt as you go through. And now I'm going to move over to the center bolt. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to reheat my awl. And then I'm going to punch through. It's going to be about 16 inches over. And you're going to see me punch through there. And it's going to singe everything as I go through. And you ain't got to worry about nothing. It's the easiest way to do it whenever you're installing new carpet and you don't want to destroy your carpet. Here we go. All right. So as you can see, there's our provision for our bolt hole. I got George over there. He's getting ready to throw in the first bolt. Throws a nut in his socket. That way it's not as deep and we can go through all the many layers that is down here. Now remember, these bolts are angled on purpose. So he's going to kind of get the angle going, and you can define that angle with your awl that you use to punch through the bottom side. And there you go. Money. Done. And now you have your seatbelt receptacle in. Now we're going to rinse and repeat for this one, and that's going to be that. And that's an easy way to do that. I learned that trick years ago, and it's worked every time. So we're going to get back to reinstalling our seat, and I'll bring you back once I have something cool. Yep, got some boom booms back here. Got this adjusted right. Look at that new carpet. On up here. Turn on some lights so you can see. Look at that. And that's with the floor mats. Over here, we got the dash. We got both A-pillars installed. And the new carpet. I mean, yes, I have been driving it. And man, let me tell you, it smells a lot better in here. Saddle blanket front seat because the front seat's tore right here. All of that back there has not been reupholstered. That is all factory and not been used, basically. So that's pretty cool. All right. Well, that's going to do it for the interior so far on the 86 Suburban, 87 Suburban, whatever year this is. I don't remember. I've got so many of them. Now, looks good, feels good, smells good, let me tell you. LMC has it cheap, man. So this build is obviously not finished. We're going to keep on little by little making it one awesome machine. I appreciate you hanging out. Check out GT Trailer Rentals. They're absolutely amazing. If you are in Central Florida or anywhere in Florida and you need to go anywhere you need to go to pick up a project,
call them up. Links in the description below for any of your trailering needs. I'm telling you, there's something else. But that's going to do it for today. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Doesn't cost you a penny, and it helps me tremendously. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time on the next episode of Trio Rescue. See ya.